funny it is, I know. I know it needs a little more work still there, guys. Wow, it's so funny. I just got 2 comments. That thing was so funny. But wait till I show you how bad it was before. Look, I didn't get all the body work done, you know. Didn't have time for all that yet. Look how funny it is though, guys. Let's see y'all, so let's see y'all. You think this is funny? Let's see your truck. Let's see your old Chevy truck, y'all. Let's see your old Chevy truck, guys. Okay? Come on. Has yours got any of this going for it? I don't know.